Hi students, welcome to NSRIT and NEET Academy. This is the second session of straight line for junior inter students. So in this session we are going to discuss some more 2 marks questions. So our next question is question number 6. So find the equation of the straight line, make angle 150 degree with x axis and y intercept cut off at 2, means here given one angle and one intercept. So by using this angle we can find slope. So first write here, given theta equal to 150 degrees. So you know the slope of angle m is equal to tan theta. So now m is equal to tan 150. So you know the tan 150 value, it is minus 1 by root 3. Now slope m is equal to minus 1 by root 3. So here given y intercept is c equal to 2. Here we have only one intercept, so take it as c. So we get slope and intercept. Now here apply slope intercept form by slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is formula of slope intercept form. Now here substitute m and c value. So m is equal to minus 1 by root 3 into x plus c value 2. So y is equal to minus 1 into x minus x, root 3 multiply here 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 by root 3. So LCM is root 3. Root 3 multiply here root 3 into y, root 3y equal to minus x plus 2 root 3. So minus x and 2 root 3 move this side, we get minus x become plus x, and already here we have root 3y minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. So this is our straight line equation. If we have one angle and one intercept, so equation of straight line is x plus root 3y minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. So this is our question number 6. So next question number 7, find the equation of the straight line, make angle tan inverse 2 by 3 with x axis and y intercept cut off at 3. So here also given angle theta equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3 and also given y intercept. So first here given directly theta value. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. Now tan inverse move this side, it become tan. So we get tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. So you know that slope of m equal to tan theta, in place of tan theta write here m. So m value is equal to 2 by 3. So we get slope. So and also given y intercept. So y intercept is c. So c value given is equal to 3. So by slope intercept form, slope intercept. So by slope intercept form, can write y is equal to mx plus c. So this is slope intercept form. So substitute here m value and c value. So m value 2 by 3 into x plus c value 3. Now y is equal to 2 into x, 2x, 3 3s are 9 by 3. Now 3 multiply here, 3 into y, 3y equal to 2x plus 9. Now 3y move that side, we get 2x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. So this is our straight line equation. So our straight line equation is 2x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. So next question number 8, find the equation of the straight line passing through minus 4 comma 5 and cutting off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. So here apply intercepts form, okay na. So here given two conditions. So this is coordinate axis x and y. Now this is intercept line. So intercept means a line touches x axis at a comma 0 and y axis at 0 comma b. Then small a is called x intercept and small b called y intercept. So this intercept line is passing through one point, that is minus 4 comma 5. So this is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So first write by intercept form. By intercept form. So what is intercept form? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. So take it as equation number 1. So in this question we have to find AB values. Find AB value and substitute in equation 1. We get a straight line equation. Find the equation of straight line. Okay na. So here given cutting intercept on coordinate axis are equal intercept. So given here intercepts are equal. So intercepts are equal means A equal to B. So in place of B also substitute A, or in place of A substitute B, anyone. So now we get LCM is x plus y by LCM is A equal to 1. Now A multiply here, we get x plus y is equal to A. So take it as this is equation number 2. So after equating intercept, we get x plus y equal to A, and this line is passing through minus 4 comma 5. Okay, now after equating intercept, we get line, this line is passing through minus 4 comma 5. Now write here equation 2 passing through minus 4 comma 5. Now in place of x substitute minus 4, in place of y substitute 5, we get minus 4 plus 5 is equal to A. Minus 4 plus 5 1. Now A value equal to 1, then B also 1. Why? Because A, B are equal. A equal to B. So that's why A, B values, A value 1, B value 1. Now write A, B values, substitute in equation 1. So we get x by 1 plus y by 1 equal to 1. Now LCM is 1, x plus y by 1 equal to 1. Now 1 multiply here, we get x plus y is equal to 1. Now 1 move this side, we get x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. So this is our straight line equation. If intercepts are equal, then straight line equation is x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. So next to question number 9, find the equation of the straight line passing through minus 2 comma 4 and sum of whose intercepts is 0. So here also again given intercept condition. Now take it as in coordinate axis intercept form. So this is intercept form A comma 0 and this is 0 comma B. So this is passing through minus 2 comma 4. So this is intercept form, x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Now write by intercept form. So what is intercept form? X by A plus y by B equal to 1. So take it as equation number 1. Now in this question also find A, B values and substitute in equation 1, we get straight line equation. So here given one condition, observe here, sum of whose intercepts is 0. Sum of intercepts is 0 means A plus B equal to 0. Sum means plus, difference means minus. So sum of intercept means A plus B equal to 0. So here given this condition. So A plus B equal to 0, by using this we can write A equal to minus B. Now in place of A substitute minus B. So the equation 1 becomes x by minus B plus y by B equal to 1. Now it can written as minus x by B. X by minus B we can write as minus x by B plus y by B equal to 1. Now LCM is B, x plus y by B equal to 1. So we get b into 1b minus x plus y equal to b. So, this is equation number 2. Now, equation 2 passing through one point, equation 2 passing through, equation 2 passing through minus 2 comma 4. Now, in place of x substitute minus 2, in place of y substitute 4. Already here we have minus of minus 2 plus 4 equal to b. So, minus into minus plus 2 plus 4. So, 2 plus 4 6. Now, b value 6. Now, b value substitute here we get a equal to minus 6. Why? Because a is equal to minus b. So, we get a and b values. This ab values substitute in equation 1. ab values substitute in equation 1. We get x by minus 6 plus y by 6 equal to 1. Can written as x by 6 plus y by 6 equal to 1 minus x plus y equal to 6. So, minus x plus y, move that side, we get x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. So, minus x become plus x, minus y plus y become minus y, already we have here 6. So, our straight line equation is x minus y plus 6 equal to 0 at sum of the intercepts is equal to 0. So, next question number 10, find the equation of the straight line make angle 150 degree and also passing through one point. So, line makes angle 150 degree and also passing through minus 2 comma minus 1. So, here given angle, by using that angle find slope. So, given theta equal to 150 degrees. Now, we have a formula m is equal to tan theta. Now, m equal to tan 150. So, tan 150 value minus 1 by root 3. So, we get slope and also given point, given x1 comma y1 equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. So, we have a slope and point. So, by slope point form, so apply here slope point form. So, what is slope point form? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now, in this form substitute m value, x1 and y1 value. Now, we get y minus y1. So, minus 1 equal to m into minus 1 by root 3 into x minus of minus 2. So, minus into minus plus 1, minus 1 by root 3 into minus of minus 2 plus 2. So, y plus 1 is equal to, so minus 1 multiply here minus x minus 2 by root 3. So, this root 3 multiply this side, root 3 into y, root 3y, and root 3 into 1, root 3 equal to minus x minus 2. So, that minus x and minus 2 move this side, we get x minus x become plus x and root 3y plus root 3 plus 2 equal to 0. So, if the line passing through the one point and also make angle with positive direction of x axis, our straight line equation is x plus root 3y plus root 3 plus 2 equal to 0. So, next question number 11, find the equation of the straight line make angle 135 degree and also passing through the point. So, similar to 10th question, this is x and y axis. So, here line make angle 135 degree with x axis and passing through one point minus 2 comma 3. So, here given theta value, so theta is equal to 135, So you know the formula m is equal to tan theta. So m is equal to tan 135. So tan 135 value -1. So we get slope. So and also given point, given x1 comma y1 equal to -2 comma 3. So now we get slope m and point. So by slope point form. So in this question also apply slope point form by slope point form. So what is slope point form? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now substitute m and x1 y1 value in this formula. So we get y minus y1, y1 value 3 and minus 1 into x minus x1. So x1 value -2. So x1 value -2 and y1 value 3 and m value -1. So y minus 3 is equal to -1 into x minus of -2 plus 2. Now y minus 3 is equal to minus x minus 2, minus 1 into x minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Now minus x minus 2 move this side, we get plus x, and already we have here plus y minus 3 and minus 2 move this side, it become plus 2. Now we get x plus y minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is our straight line equation. A line make angle 135 degree and passing through the point -2 comma 3. Our straight line equation is x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. So next question number 12, find the equation of the straight line passing through origin and makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. So here the given line passing through origin, we have to find the straight line equation. It is passing through 0 comma 0 and make equal angle with the coordinate axis, means here 45 degrees and here, means both x axis and y axis make equal angle this straight line, and this is passing through 0 comma 0. So here angle is 45 degrees. And also this line make equal angle with x and y axis with positive direction. Another angle is 135, 90 plus 45. Here also 45 plus 90. Okay na? So 45 degrees and 135 degree also. You consider any one angle. So I am taking here 45 degrees. So this line make angle equal angle with coordinate axis and passing through origin. So here given line passing through, given line passing through origin means x1 comma y1 equal to 0 comma 0. Next, line makes equal angle with the coordinate axis, equal angle with the coordinate axis, then theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now we have a formula of slope m equal to tan theta, m equal to tan 45. So tan 45 means 1. So we have a point and slope by slope point form, by slope point form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now in place of x1 y1 substitute 0 comma 0, in place of m substitute 1, y minus 0 equal to 1 into x minus 0. So y minus 0 y equal to x minus 0 x. So 1 into x, x. So our straight line equation is x is equal to y, or x minus y equal to 0, or y minus x equal to 0. So x equal to y means, suppose any point lies on this line, here x and y coordinates are equal, means suppose this line passing through 0 comma 0, here x 0 y 0, if we are taking this point, it is 1 comma 1. If take it this point, this is 2 comma 2, means all points lies on this line x and y equal. So that's why this line name is x is equal to y. Suppose we are considering this part, this is 3 comma 3, this is 4 comma 4. Similarly this side, this is minus 1 comma minus 1, this is minus 2 comma minus 2. We are taking this one minus 3 comma minus 3, means any point lies on this line, in that point x and y coordinate both are equal. Why? Because this line passing through origin. Remember it, it is very important point. So next question number 14. Find the equation of the straight line passing through a t1 square comma 2a t1 and a t2 square comma 2a t2. So here also given 2 points. So apply 2 points from. So given x1 y1 equal to a t1 square comma 2a t1 and x2 y2 is equal to a t2 square comma 2a t2. So by 2 points form. So by 2 points form, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is 2 point form. So here substitute x1 y1 and x2 y2. So y minus y1. So this is y1 2a t1 equal to y2 minus y1 2a t2 minus 2a t1 by x2 minus x1 a t2 square minus a t1 square into x minus x1 a t1 square. So y minus 2a t1 equal to, so here take it as common 2a, so we get t2 minus t1 by a into, so here denominator take it as common a, so t2 square minus t1 square into x minus a t1 square. Now a get cancelled. So y minus 2a t1 is equal to 2 into t2 minus t1 by. So here denominator t2 square minus t1 square is in the form of a square minus b square form. So you can written as a plus b into a minus b. Now t2 plus t1 into t2 minus t1 into x minus a t1 square. t2 minus t1, t2 minus t1 get cancelled, y minus 2a t1 equal to 2 by t2 plus t1 we can write as t1 plus t2 into x minus a t1 square. So here numerator this 2 multiply that side and t1 plus t2 multiply here, we get y minus 2a t1 into t1 plus t2 equal to 2 into x 2x minus 2a t1 square. Now y multiply this to y into t1 plus t2 minus, so 2a t1 into t1 2a t1 square minus into plus minus 2a t1 t2 2a t1 t2 equal to 2x minus 2a t1 square. Now both side minus 2a t1 square is there, cancel. So remaining terms move that side, we get 2x. So this plus become minus y of t1 plus t2 and plus 2a t1 t2 equal to 0. So this is our straight line equation. So this is very, very important for 2 marks. So our straight line equation is 2x minus y of t1 plus t2 plus 2a t1 into t2 equal to 0. So next question number 15, prove that the points are collinear. So what is collinear points? 3 or more points lies on the same line are called collinear points. So how to prove the given points are collinear points? If the area of the triangle is equal to 0, the given points are collinear points. And also we have two conditions. Slope of AB equal to slope of AC, or equation of AB is satisfying with the point C. So are called collinear points. So here apply very simple concept, that is slope of AB equal to slope of AC. We have three conditions. Out of these three conditions, this condition is very easy. So it is easy to find collinear points. So here given 3 points, given A 1, 11 and B 2, 15. Next C minus 3, minus 5. Now first find slope of AB, that is m of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So apply this formula for AB. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 15 minus 11, 4 by 1 equal to 4. Now slope of AB equal to 4. Now find slope of AC. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now slope of AC, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, minus 16 by minus 4. So minus minus get cancelled, 4 4 is 16. Now slope of AC is also equal to 4. So therefore slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. So given points are collinear points. Why these are collinear points? Because slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. So given points are collinear points. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.